Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add basic personal information to your Google account. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, and after that you should tap on this profile icon, and after that tap on manage your Google account. Tap on personal info in the left side column of the screen, and here you can find the basic info section where you can add a profile picture if you tap on this camera button, and then tap on the add profile picture button down below, and then you can search from these preset options, or you can also upload one from your computer, from your files. So just tap on the relevant one and then tap on the save as profile picture button down below, and it is being saved, as you can see. After it is done, you can tap on the got it button and it will be updated, as you can see. You can set your name. If you would like to change it, just tap on this pencil button and you can change your first and last name and then click on the save button. As you go back to the previous page, you can also set your nickname if you want to. And if you go back, you can set your birthday and your gender as well. So just tap on the relevant ones and click on the choose who can see your gender section, only you or anyone, and then it will be updated automatically. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.